We go to Bangalore and just tell me the story quick that they got Adam Zampa, and then they didn't have Chris Morris for the longest time, so they didn't have. But they had the Indian pace, Harsha. Like here's one of the things I didn't understand, and I don't think we talked about it enough. They had Umesh. Umesh played a couple of games and then, poof, gone. See, India test bowler. It's gone. 2 games. That's it.
And Siraj came. Siraj delivered one or two performances. He's primarily a red ball bowler who's finding his way in this white ball game. He's an excellent red ball bowler. So Morris wasn't there. There was no trust in Yadav. There was no trust in Siraj in that early part of the tournament. So they tried playing Dale Steyn. But Dale Steyn, it was one of the sadder sides of this tournament, that one of the greatest of all time was turning up with. I mean, he didn't have it anymore. It was that extra 1 year extra performance that we all do, and so they had to play Udana. Now, why did they pick Udana? Because they thought that at some point the tracks will grip, turn. Udana is a slow bowler of a long run up, but that didn't happen. So they didn't have anyone to go back to because they picked Zampa.
Yeah.
So I think RCB struggled at the start on days because of that.
But here's the thing. This is they have a classic problem, right? Of choosing a great squad and an imbalanced 11.
No, I'll tell you what the basic problem. Their basic problem is great squad. They always have a great squad, and every year Virat comes to us and to the press and with honesty says, I think this year we have a balanced squad that can compete. Last year we were a bit thin on this and that. Every year the squad improves. And it's true.
The squad is excellent every year.
Every year.
It's the 11, yeah.
It's not the 11. It's trust.
Great point.
Marcus Stoinis. Where was Marcus Stoinis playing 2 years back?
Bangalore.
Where was Quinton de Kock playing 2 years back?
Bangalore.
Quinton de Kock was released after, in 2019 he was released. Why was he released?
There's more. I will never forget not retaining KL Rahul. Right? I don't know if it was a salary dispute. I know he had not had a season. He had not played one season because of injury. But to not keep KL Rahul, you choose 3 players. Think about it. He's given you 600 run seasons for 3 seasons now, right? It's just I didn't get that it was not him. I'm guessing maybe a salary dispute. Harsha, what is it? It's 15 for the first, 12.5 for the second. Retention and 8 for the third?
15, 12, 8. I think it's 15, 12, 8 or something like that.
We'll just get Abhideep to check it. If you can just check it. I think for 2018, perhaps. So maybe he didn't agree to whatever 7 crores or 8 crores, whatever. Maybe it was a salary dispute. But otherwise, I don't understand why they were not retained. So my question to you, Harsha, is Bangalore, in terms of retention and trust and keeping players, is Bangalore the New Delhi that way?
Look, that will be tested now because now they've qualified, right? Which means they've done something they were struggling to do all these years. Now that they have qualified, that is what is going to be tested. I still believe, and you look right through this tournament, we always talk about 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, maybe AB at 4. Who's 5, 6, and I think that is where RCB struggled. 5, 6, 7. If Morris had been around earlier and in good batting form, maybe that would have been better. But one of the reasons they scored lesser than anybody else in the middle overs was, I suspect, because they said, okay, who's to come? Dubey, Gurkirat, Washington, Morris. If I lose Virat AB by the 12th over in trying to get a move on, am I going to get the score that I want? And so let me not lose wickets. What was Virat's strike rate this year? What was AB's strike rate this year? Both Virat and AB, by their standards, had underwhelming tournaments. Virat's made 450 and we're saying underwhelming because Virat. Because Virat. You weigh people in different scales.
Superman reaches, driving the car at 150. You go, no, but you're Superman. You should have just been flying.
But he couldn't control the middle overs. You're batting 3, he couldn't control the middle overs.
Another story. So 2 stories with them. One, of course, same, no different, is that their over-dependence on Virat and AB, as was shown this year. And the second story, which Harsha is alluding to, is that in the middle overs, they were just dismal. Just couldn't get going, right? So you see all this cluster from 7.5, around 7.5, then upwards of 8. They're not even 7. And that's a big problem. And you're getting perhaps 1 boundary every 2 overs. You're not putting pressure like that.
Yeah, not only that. Again, it comes to the same thing. It's back to what I said, which is tying with Harsha's point. It's trust. if I don't trust that Washington Sundar, Morris, Shivam Dube, all these guys can do it after me, I will always play with my handbrake on, as Lisa was saying. You're always playing with your handbrake on. He's never trusting the other guys to do it. And the fact of the matter is, if you're ever playing from a position of fear, rather than, are you seeing fear or are you seeing opportunity?
Yeah.
There's a standard management casebook, and it sounds crazy, saying that, when you see a catch, when you're more scared of dropping it than you are of taking it and making your team win, then your team is in trouble. So that's exactly what Bangalore is going through.
The fear of failure, right? That's
the fear of failure exceeding your need for success.
Wow.
Your desire for success is outweighed by the fear of failure. You're not going to take those chances. You're going to say, you know what, these guys can't do it after me. Let me just defend on a little more. I'll play to the 15th and see. I won't open up. I won't take risks. If you don't take risks in T20 cricket, you can't win games. You're not consistently.
And that came off once. It came off in just one innings, right? With Virat. It
one
came
innings.
Just in one innings. 90 of whatever is 54 or 55. And that was against Chennai. And that gamble didn't work. And that was another problem for them.
Yeah, but in their favor, I will say they've qualified this year. So, जैसे कौन बनेगा में पड़ाव होते हैं ना, पड़ाव पहली बार मैंने लफ्ज सुना था, वो पड़ाव होते हैं. तो पहला पड़ाव पार कर गए. So now at least they've got to somewhere they hadn't got before. Now we'll see where they go, where they go from here. I think they've got a really tough game coming up against Hyderabad.
A resurgent Hyderabad.
Absolutely.
And they've got one other thing. They've got a huge discovery, which is Devdutt Padikkal. I mean, anytime you discover an India batsman who gives you 400 runs, he is probably going to be the emerging player of the season. So that, I think, is the difference between last season and any other season, the last 3-4. I think Devdutt Padikkal would have got them something.
Look at Devdutt Padikkal's scoring patterns. I think if you break his innings down into 10-10 over blocks or a 10 ball blocks, you'll see after 20 balls, it starts to come down again. And I don't know if that is the whole team phenomenon playing out as well, that now that we've got a good start, don't lose it. So Padikkal ending up with strike rate of 120, 122. So the longer he plays, the more he's losing games for his side. So even though he started off so well, that is his next stage of development. He's a fabulous player. His next stage of development is to dominate. Well-constructed team. Don't make no two opinions about that. Well-constructed team. Just needed that one, a Shivam Dube, or maybe put Moeen Ali there. That one person who went to the AB's room and said, AB, don't worry. You play your game, we'll handle it from below.
But this is what, AB still had to do it. We've got this graphic, like the wins came, still the wins came because of 4 out of 7 wins came because of Mr. 360.
Yeah, as we often say in the shadow of the mighty trees, nothing else grows.
True.
So were they pillars or were they trees in whose shade nothing was growing?